This video will show you how to replace the batteries on your thermostat. To get started, make sure you have two new AAA batteries on hand. First, remove the thermostat body from the backplate. Then, remove the two old AAA batteries. And replace them with the two new AAA batteries. Be sure to follow polarity guidelines. On the thermostat plate, ensure that any excess wires are tucked into the wall. Ensure the pins on the body are correctly aligned with the backplate. Press the thermostat body firmly into the backplate. Finally, verify that the thermostat can be controlled using the mobile app.